Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel I for Java. I am Kesri. I am full stack Java software developer. Today we are going to see how to develop full stack application using Spring Boot, Angular and MySQL. If you are willing to learn full stack development of Java application, then please make sure to subscribe my channel. Here I will explain each and every concept of Java software development on best of my knowledge and experience. I am starting various full stack project series on this YouTube channel where you can watch video and also you can get the source code of project which you can run on your system and practice it. Link is given in the description. So friends, with this introduction, let's start. This is part 1, overview of creating registration page using Angular 9 and Spring Boot. For storing the data, I am using MySQL. You are free to use any other software also. So let's jump to home page of our application. This is our home page for HTML coding and CSS part. I am using Bootstrap, but currently our focus is not on HTML part. Here is our navbar menu where I mention several routing links like home, all users and search and register. Let's check out one by one. First I am clicking on all user. Here currently no records are available. Also check out in our console logs. Let's go to our console. Here nothing is currently present. Let's run this application. Let's minimize this screen first. Okay, so now our server is up and running, and in this application this is our home controller where the all and URL are present which will hit by Angular API. Okay, so let's open MySQL also and check is there any data present or not. Let's log in it. I am providing my credential. This is our database and here is our table. Table name is user. So first let's connect with our database. Write a query, use Angular DB and press Ctrl Enter. Okay, now I'm connected with my database and now write a query to check all the users in this table. Select star from user colon and Ctrl Enter. So here there is no data or records are available in this field. Okay, so now let's jump to our browser and give some user details. So now we are in our application home page. Let's go to our registration page and add some records to the database so we can perform other operation also. Okay, currently you can see here is no records are available. Let's click on the registration. Here I am giving first name Mahesh Kumar, age I am giving 29 and username I am giving Mahesh Kumar, password 1214523. Okay, and click on the register. So here we will give the here we can able to see the response. Welcome to I for Java, Mr. Mahesh Kumar, which is coming from our home controller. Welcome to I for Java, user.get username. So let's provide some more records also like Himanshu, last name Srivash, age is 25 and username I'm giving Srivash G. Okay, and password I'm giving 4578. Let's register this also. So here you can see Mr. Srivash G. Again Subham Padhai, age 24, Subham G and 4521. Click on register. Okay, so Subham G also register. Vinod Kumar, 23, Vinod G, and 5236. Register. Let's provide myself also. Kesri Nandan is 25 and username Kesri Nandan and password 4563 and register. So now let's check out our all user. So now you can able to see the records. Okay, so suppose if we want to search any record, so we can go this page and provide any of the username which is present here. Okay, and we can get the detail of that user. Like I am going to search this username, I'm copy it and paste it over here and search that record. So you can see here the record are visible. Okay, so that how we can see the search functionality is also working. Suppose if we want to delete any record like this one, I'm just pressing on this button and record has deleted. Here so many queries are executed. Okay, and let's once check out our database also. Here we will run this query again, and now we are able to see records which are we registered from the Angular API.
Okay friends, this was the overview of our application. I will create this application step by step in my next video and complete this project in 3 parts. So please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, signing out from Kesri. Bye bye.